Hi, this is Abhi from RiPixel. Today I will show you how to see saved passwords in Google account. But before getting into it, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get more helpful tutorials. So, on your Android phone, simply open Settings. Now, simply scroll down and tap Google. Here, simply tap your Google account. Now, on this page you will see a list of your Google accounts. Simply select the Google account for which you have to see the password for and click Manage Google Account. Now, click Security and Sign In on this page and scroll down at the bottom on the next page and simply click Password Manager. When you click this, you will see a list of website and apps with saved passwords. Tap on any site and app you want to check the password for. For example, I will click Amazon. Now, Google will ask you for fingerprint, PIN or pattern. This is required before showing the password. Now, click on this eye icon here and you'll be able to see your password just right here. You can edit it from here, delete it, or just click on copy and you'll have the access to saved password in your Google account. Thanks for watching.